Yeah, I think, again, there's two things here. I mentioned earlier that generally speaking, our cost structures are just lower than large laboratories or hospitals, and that's just a reality. But secondly, and perhaps more impactful, is we're really transparent with our costs. What we're trying to do is provide a service very efficiently that gives us a reasonable rate of return, and you know what that is. And so that should give you a sense of confidence that you have control over the financial aspects of the operation. And the example that I can give immediately is, how much control do you want to, or how much insight do you want to have over your temperature controls in your transport vehicles? We can provide information that gives you essentially real-time temperature information as the vehicle's in transit. Perhaps you want that. It costs a little extra. It's not as though we aren't keeping things in tolerance without that degree of visibility into the transport container. But if you want that degree of visibility, it's available to you. I might add, not everybody is all that transparent about their cost structures. It's one of those things that Am-Tran believes is important. And so it's one of kind of our fundamental things that we pass along.
What are some other examples of the degree of control that folks can have?
The next one that comes to mind is control over the fleet. Do you want to have your brand on our vehicle and have that dedicated to your needs? The costs associated with a dedicated vehicle as opposed to an Am-Tran flagged vehicle is an example of, it's a little bit more expensive to put your flag on it, but from a branding perspective, that may be what you want to do. And we have no issue with that.
Right.
That's your decision. And we'll tell you exactly how much it costs. We'll tell you the difference in costs. It's that sort of thing. That gives you another idea.